Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another face mask. This is my 4th tutorial. Today we are going to be making a face mask out of a sock. That's all you need. It costs around $1 to make this, which is so awesome because you can go to the dollar store. They come in all sorts of colors and fabrics. This is one of the easiest, best ideas ever. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it.
All right, you guys, so of course all you need is socks to make this mask and some scissors. I'm gonna make all of these into face masks and we will see what they look like on my face. To start out, you wanna grab your sock. This one is a little bit shorter. I would recommend buying a longer sock if you do want a longer face mask, but this will do for this tutorial. So you wanna cut off one of the ends right here, just like so. And the other end, so you don't see that heel part right there. And you just want to cut across. So literally you're creating a long rectangle. This one still has like a little hump right here. There we go. I will measure it for some of you that like measurements. So this is around 5.5 inches. I would recommend getting it a little bit longer. Next, you want to cut 2 strips right here. That will go around your ears, and I'm gonna cut it. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, there we have it. So now you can flip it around like that. So you can see the cuts just like so. And I gotta add, if you wanna see a particular image on the face part of it, say if we wanted to see these dots, then cut on this side. And that way you'll see this side when you put it around your ears like that. So one of the things I like about this face mask is that you can put a little filter inside. So just stuff it right in there. Okay, there we go. Now again, a longer sock is gonna have a longer mask for you. All right, so I'm gonna cut out some other socks to show you what they look like. So let me just go ahead and do these really quick. All right, now that I have these cut, let's go ahead and try these on.
All right, here are the designs that we came up with. So let me go ahead and try them on. So this was the striped one. This one, I put the little filter in it. So you wanna bring the longer side, obviously, to the front of your face. And you just wrap this around your face. Now this is a little bit smaller than what I would want. I would want it to cover maybe up to my ear right there. But if you're fine with it, you can purchase these socks. But like I said in the video, make sure to buy longer socks so that you have a longer face mask. But this does cover my mouth and my nose. It's super soft around your ears, plus the fabric is really soft because it's cotton. Let's try some of the other ones out. So this was the Nemo one. So don't know how I like the design on this one. So not too bad. Here's a blue one. Now without the filter, you can stretch this out a little bit. All right, here's another Disney one. I like the spots on this one. Plus it's fuzzy in some areas. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this face mask out of a sock tutorial. I would highly recommend making a face mask out of a sock. This is the best mask ever. I know I say that in all of my videos, but hands down, I would make this out of all of the rest of them. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time, bye.